Hey guys, this is Akshay and I come with my new video. So let's go. You have in this video you have to give me some answer of my questions. And the questions are who is the biggest enemy of your success? Who stops you to achieve your goals? Who makes you sick? Who makes you weak? Guys, give me answer of these questions. Anyone suggest what is the answer of these questions? Answer is very simple, but this answer means this thing makes you fail in your life, and this thing doing very bad about your life. What is the answer of these questions? The answer is fear. Fear stops you to achieve your goal. Fear is the biggest enemy of your success. Fear makes you sick, fear makes you weak. Try to understand, guys. Fear can do anything if your control is not on you. So fear is the biggest enemy of our life. Fear is nothing but the illusion of our mind. Fear can do anything. It stops your success. It stops your thinking power. It stops your self-discipline. Stop your self-confidence. It can do anything. Just you have to control. You have to positive on you. What is the true meaning of fear? Fear means face everything and run. Face everything and rise. These are the meaning of fear. And what we are doing, the fear sit on our head like anything, and we cannot do anything because of fear. So guys, we have to think about fear. So when you are walking on the road, lonely or someone with you, and you scared with dog, try to suppose this. When you are going on the road or walking on the road, and suddenly 2-3 dogs come to you and barking on you. Yeah. That time the fear comes to you, and you try to run away from the dog. Then what dog do? They also trying to chase you. In that situation, there are two possibilities are there. The possibility number one, there are two possibilities to overcome your fear at that time. Take a stick or stone. Don't beat them. Take a stick or stone and act like we are beat the dog. But don't do that. But don't do. Just act like this. Then what dog do? the fear is sit in the fear come to dog and he will run away from it because of fear. And the possibility number 2 is, if you have the courage, then only you do, otherwise don't try to do this. Try to call the dog like in loving gesture and very normal but loving gesture. Then dog also think he will not beat you, so he will not beat you and I want to go there. These are the two possibilities in the dog example. Take means apply, and you have to apply this possibility in your daily basis. If you fear to ride a bicycle, you will not ride a bicycle. If you fear to ride motorcycle, you will not ride motorcycle. If you fear to drive a car, you will never drive a car. If swimmer fear to water, then swimmer will never swim in the water. Try to understand, guys. Fear can pull you down. Fear helps you to do nothing in your life. Now let's take my example. Before some days I scared to talk anyone, means unknown person or anyone. But I decided to overcome my fear, and I am trying to talk anyone. And this means you have to take a decision in your life. If you are not taking decision, means in the side of fear, then nothing is help you. So this is for today. Hope you overcome your fear, and we'll meet soon. Bye bye.